Robots are no longer science fiction. They are becoming part of our world, entering factories, hospitals, homes, cities, and even space. But how far will this transformation go? From delivery machines to industrial robots and intelligent assistants, machines are already working beside humans. The robotic revolution has quietly begun. A robot is a machine capable of sensing its environment, processing information, and performing physical actions. Modern robots combine sensors, software, motors, and artificial intelligence. The dream of mechanical helpers is centuries old, but modern robotics truly accelerated during the 20th century, when machines began performing programmed industrial tasks. Factories became the first major home of robots. Robotic arms could repeat precise movements thousands of times, increasing production while reducing dangerous and exhausting work. The biggest change came when robotics met artificial intelligence. Instead of simply following fixed instructions, robots can increasingly perceive their surroundings and make decisions. Modern robots can learn through enormous amounts of data and repeated practice. They can improve balance, movement, object recognition, and navigation through machine learning techniques. Imagine a robot helping an elderly person at home, carrying objects, assisting with daily tasks, or providing companionship. This could become an important role for future robots. In advanced factories, robots already assemble electronics, vehicles, and precision equipment. Humans increasingly supervise these systems while focusing on more complex responsibilities. Huge warehouses are becoming increasingly automated. Mobile robots can transport products across enormous facilities, working continuously, and coordinating their movements with remarkable efficiency. Small autonomous delivery robots are beginning to appear on sidewalks. They can transport food, packages, and supplies, while navigating around pedestrians and urban obstacles. Robotics is also transforming transportation. Autonomous vehicles use cameras, radar, sensors, and intelligent software to understand roads and make driving decisions. On farms, robots can monitor crops, remove weeds, harvest produce, and analyze plant health. These technologies could help agriculture become more precise and efficient. Construction sites may also become increasingly automated. Robots could move heavy materials, perform repetitive tasks, and work in dangerous environments while humans supervise operations. In hospitals, robotic systems already assist surgeons and medical professionals. Future robots could make certain procedures more precise while keeping doctors responsible for critical decisions. Robotics can also become part of the human body. Advanced prosthetic limbs can respond to signals and allow people to perform increasingly natural movements. When buildings collapse or disasters strike, robots can enter places too dangerous for humans. They can search debris, map damaged areas, and help rescue teams locate survivors. Deep mines, toxic environments, and unstable structures can put human lives at risk. Specialized robots may perform these dangerous missions instead. Far beneath the ocean surface, robots can explore environments where pressure, darkness, and distance make human exploration extremely difficult. Robots are already exploring other worlds. On Mars, robotic rovers analyze rocks, photograph landscapes, and collect scientific information millions of kilometers from Earth. Inside future space stations, robotic assistants could help astronauts move equipment, perform experiments, and maintain facilities, reducing the physical workload of human crews. As populations age, assistive robots could become increasingly valuable. They may help people with mobility, household tasks, reminders, and everyday independence. Robots could also become educational assistants, helping students practice languages, science, mathematics, and programming, while teachers remain essential guides and mentors. Machines can generate music, designs, and digital artwork, raising an important question: can technology become a creative partner? But can a robot actually think? Today's machines can process information and solve complex problems. Yet that does not necessarily mean they possess human consciousness or understanding. Human intelligence comes from biological brains shaped by emotion, experience, and consciousness. Artificial intelligence learns differently, through algorithms, data, computation, and mathematical patterns. This is perhaps the biggest fear surrounding robotics. If machines can perform more tasks, some jobs may disappear or change dramatically. But history suggests technology can also create new opportunities. Repetitive work is especially vulnerable to automation. Factories, warehouses, and other industries may require fewer people for routine tasks, as robotic systems become more capable. At the same time, new professions are emerging. Robot engineers, technicians, AI specialists, safety experts, designers, and many careers that did not exist a generation ago. The most realistic future may not be humans versus robots, but humans working with robots. Machines can provide strength, speed, and precision, while humans provide judgment, creativity, and empathy. Future hospitals could combine doctors with intelligent diagnostic systems, surgical robots, and robotic assistants. Technology may handle routine tasks, while human professionals remain responsible for care and compassion. At home, robotic assistants could clean, prepare food, move objects, and support daily routines. The goal would not simply be convenience, but giving people more time and independence. Imagine a city where autonomous vehicles move efficiently, robots maintain infrastructure, and intelligent systems manage energy and transportation. Such cities could become safer and more efficient. But automation has a darker side. If technology advances faster than societies can adapt, workers may lose jobs, inequality could increase, and entire communities could face economic disruption. That is why robot safety matters. Engineers must test machines carefully, predict failures, and create systems that behave reliably around people. Powerful robots should not operate without appropriate oversight. Humans must remain capable of monitoring, controlling, and when necessary, stopping critical systems. Robotics also raises difficult ethical questions. Who should be responsible when an autonomous machine makes a mistake? What decisions should robots be allowed to make? As robots become more human-like, our relationship with them may become more complicated. People may trust, communicate with, or even emotionally connect to machines. Could robots eventually dominate everyday life? It is possible that machines will perform many more tasks, but technological capability alone does not determine how society will use it. A more hopeful future places humans at the center. Robots could handle dangerous and repetitive work while people focus on creativity, relationships, education, discovery,
One
and
path
meaningful
leads to
activities.
pure
The
destruction.
future of robotics is
The
not
other,
predetermined.
to shared
Humanity must
harmony.
decide how these machines are designed,
The choice
regulated,
belongs
deployed, and
to
controlled,
us.
and what values should guide their development. Robots
I
may
wonder
change
if
the way
they
we
will
live,
ever look
work,
back
travel,
at how
and
this all
explore.
started.
But the real question is not whether robots
We will
replace
make sure
humans.
that they never
It is
forget
whether
it,
humans
Maya.
will learn to use robots responsibly, so that technology